There we go. Day one.
What you guys doing?
Alternator change. The bearing was finished. We broke that. You can hear it. So we got our brand new one.
It, but you can.
I can hear it.
Okay. On the video, you'll hear it.
You'll hear it.
That's
just
the
hear
new
weird
one.
noise on the video.
So we'll just put in some like really loud noise.
Yeah, people don't like your sound effects apparently,
So yeah, no, we'll put in our brand new one that we should have put in before, but ran out of time. We like working at the track.
Good thing we drove the truck down there to
Put the plug in more.
Just testing. So welcome to Calabogie October season finale. This is hopefully the worst of our weekend, but not likely. Welcome back. We're at Calabogie. It's a beautiful day. No, it's raining. But the good news is, it looks like it's not raining all day. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Ready for anything? Got all the drivers? You guys pretty amped or what?
Oh yeah.
Ready to go? Yeah. There you go. So see how this day goes. As you know, we don't really love the rain, but you know, if it was easy, everyone would do it. And yeah, that's that. So you get the joys of watching from a nice dry place, probably, while we go racing the rain.
Good? Yeah. It's all clear. Hey, take your boy. All right.
I'm speechless about that. It was so tough at the start, and then it got so much fun at the end. But pit stop went good. I don't know how it went here, but yeah, driving out there was stressful at the start. Like going down the back straightaway, you'll probably see it. Like I haven't seen the spray that bad before, but thankful we had that rain light. But we were near the back, it made it worse. And then some of the guys are coming fast. Big closing speed. So, anyways. I think it was a good first in. I think we're in a decent spot. We passed enough people. Only the fast guys passed me.
You're ahead of the people that matter.
We're in first in class?
No. You're ahead of...
Who's in our class?
It's all messed up right now.
Oh, okay. So anyways, I didn't know where we were. I didn't ask because I didn't want to know. So overall it went good, I think. But yeah, that's that. So first in done. So we're pitting on our second pit stop here. Mars is about to jump in. Good stint so far. It was clean, consistent. It was perfect. We're way down the ladder from where we're used to running, but that's okay. The rain is just killing us. But we're ahead of the Echo Gorley car, who we're chasing for the championship. So we're not in the hunt for the podium in class by any means this race right now, but we're still looking for that try to get some points on the championship. Our day goes as good as that pit stop did, because we just put gas in it, changed the driver, so I don't know how the tires were, but
yes, ma'am.
So that's that. Let's just send them back out there. We got 2 more stints that we're after on the race, and we're in good standing. So. So the wiper is broken again. It happened to us last year, but it started raining and there's about 10 minutes left on driver time for Mars. Has to stay in there, so we're begging him to stay out even if he can't see. And we're gonna have to fix the wiper and do a change, put John in. We're losing a lot of time right now to Gorley and the Echo. They're really picking up on us. They're probably on pace to pass us anyways, so this is gonna be a really down to the wire last stint. So would like it to stay dry, of course. Would like this wiper not to have be a big issue, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just watching our YouTube video of how we set the wiper last time. There's an angle you need to get so that it sweeps both sides on the passenger side.
Whatever you get. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, that's better.
You're good to check the radio.
Change. Usually we gotta change a tire on the last one, but that was good. We knew what to do because we did it last time and it worked. So hopefully that's all it takes. John's out there a little bit earlier than planned, but within the drive time window. And yeah, we'll see if we can catch back up to well, we were still ahead. We had just lost. We had over a lap lead, probably a lap and a half on Gourley. They brought it right back down to nearly nothing. It was a couple corners, so now we'll see if we can stretch it back out in the last 2 hours. 3 o'clock now, just after anyways. And we'll see how this goes. Well, it's just about an hour left, just over. We're in 5th in class, ahead of the Echo, so where we want to be. We're just making a comment about how attrition hasn't been a big thing today. There's a lot of cars going to finish this one. So yeah, we're where we want to be. If we can stay this way for the next hour, we'll be happy. It'll be our worst finish of the year, but it'll be our best. With clinching the championship would be more important than a podium. So they really have the classes mixed up today too. So we're not sure if they're gonna like balance that out. There's some really fast guys in GT3 for some reason, but we'll just wait and see how it shakes out at the end before we get too worried about it. But as it stands right now, we're 5th in class. Rain's kind of holding off. It's wet. It hasn't dried all day. But I think the track's kind of drying, but then it rains a little. So yeah, that's our 6th update. It's 6 out of 7. I was gonna say 7, but only 7-hour race today. Yeah, 10-4, I know, I'm just saying we gotta take her easy if we can, but you gotta do what you gotta do. We gotta be able to see, so keep trucking, man, you're doing great. We got rain picking up here in Calabogie.
Just slight rain.
Kind of how the morning started, the day started in the morning, we're probably gonna end it in the day, so. Yeah, the radar was showing this might flick north of us, but it didn't happen. So, we'll see. Hopefully we can stick out there. Hopefully the wiper fix makes it for another 45 minutes or no, 55 minutes. It hasn't been long since our last update. Oh well.
The classes and what's going on right now.
So I think Chuck made it back to the tower there after his stint driving, and I think he sorted out the classes just like the way he normally does them. So some cars that were really fast in our class are now in their proper class, so we jumped up from 5th to 2nd in class, which is really good. Some new guys in a white Miata that, or they may not be new, but it's a new car. They're first, and then the Echo's 3rd. So we're
how many
happy
laps
with that.
between
Miata's got 1 lap on us, and we're almost a full lap on the Echo. So there's 12 minutes left or 11 minutes left right now. So we're in pretty good shape. As long as it holds together, we'll be good. We're having fun out there still. Things are still in one piece. So yeah, as long as we finish ahead of the Echo is all that really matters.
Okay.
For the championship, we're still ahead. Although now we'll get a 2nd, so a podium versus 5th. Bonus. Checkered flag. Look at that. So 2nd in class looks like. And well, let's not count our tickets before they hatch, because last time we thought we won the championship, but we should have. So we should have clinched it there with that extra point. So super happy. A day that was gonna rain. It was pretty stressful day at points, but a day where it was gonna rain. Here we are. Winning? Can you call it winning? We finished 2nd. I don't know. See how the podium. How was that long stint?
That was awesome and sketchy at the same time.
I think that was your first time in the true rain like that?
Yeah.
Oh, now at least I could share that joy with someone because it's not as fun as it
I think that right rear is just done. I could not lean on it at all.
Oh, that's very well possible. Oh well. That's we got some nice bevies here, so I mean climb on out and cheers to a good year. We ain't done, but I mean we got what we wanted. We still got to try again tomorrow for the you know, the top spot for the day, but we got the top spot for the year. So we got GoPro for the whole day. That was a win in itself. Well, I don't know if we have sound, but we got video.
Wild. You were supposed to get the ring, not me. First time in the ring ever.
Oh yeah?
Well, like it's all in one piece.
Yeah, you did good.
Oh, barely. If you followed me a few more laps, it would have. I came real close to the tire wall. Real close.
And second place, 406, Days of Thunder Motorsports.
So we'll get the big trophy tomorrow. we'll be the only class that
Told us this once before, I remember.
Yeah.
I'm having deja vu.
Last year.
Well, all of you guys
We were standing right here.
Okay, well maybe we'll get it tomorrow. This time at least we'll have a whole night to celebrate rather than just like 5 minutes. No, we're pretty confident, but I think we're the only class that would have clinched, I think, so they'll do that tomorrow. So overall, really good day, Calabogie. A little bit of rain. I won't say a little bit of sun, a little bit of
Anything
cloud.
broken?
I don't think the exhaust is broken. Might be cracked. And the transmission we don't always know until the end, so yeah, there was backfires for sure, but overall relatively good. We'll try to look at the wipers. A chance of rain tomorrow too, so we'll fix all that up and try again tomorrow. We'll try to get one of the one on the front of that, so hang it up in the shop after. But yeah, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.